In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Make. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that it's as straightforward as possible for you. Make is a powerful platform that offers AI workflow automation tools, and gaining access to it is just a few clicks away. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Make homepage. You can do this anytime by entering make.com into your address bar. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the site. It can be helpful to understand where everything is before you move forward with creating an account. Next, look towards the top right corner of the home page. Here you'll find a button labeled Log In. Give that a click. You might be wondering why we're clicking Log In when we're here to sign up, but fret not, we're right where we need to be. This will take you to a page where you can either log in if you already have an account or create a new one if you're a new user. On the login page, you'll see a sign up link, usually just below the login form. Go ahead and click on it, and this will direct you to the registration page where you'll start the sign up process. It's quite straightforward and user friendly. Once you're on the registration page, look for an option that says See Other Options. Clicking this is important because it allows you different ways to sign up, making the process flexible depending on what accounts you have available. One of the most convenient ways to sign up is via Google. On the same registration page, you should see an option to continue with Google. By selecting this, you'll be taken to a Google login screen. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, this step might be nearly instantaneous as it uses your existing session. If not, simply enter your Google credentials to continue. The reasons for using Google to register are numerous. It's quick, it's secure, and it ties your Make account seamlessly with your existing online accounts. Once you've logged in with Google, you should be automatically redirected back to Make, and your new account will be all set up and ready for you to start automating tasks. And there you have it, a simple, streamlined process to create a Make account. Feel free to explore the platform and start integrating it into your workflows to enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips.